You drive every day, but I bet there are at least a dozen hidden features in your car that you've never used. And trust me, some of them could save you thousands of dollars in repair costs, while others will make you look like a pro instead of a rookie at the gas station. The fact is, over 80% of drivers have no idea their cars even have these features. So, do you think you know cars well? Get ready to be surprised. In this video, I'll reveal 13 hidden features that you'll regret not knowing sooner. And guess what? At the end, there's even a bonus tip, small but incredibly useful. Kind of like a last-minute lifesaver. Stick around, because number 1 will definitely make you say, "No way, my car can do that?" Feature Hasson 3, Recirculation button. When your car becomes a mobile air purifier, stuck behind a truck belching out thick black smoke, a tiny button with a circular arrow symbol is your lung's savior. Turn it on, and instead of pulling dirty outside air, your car simply recirculates the cleaner cabin air. Benefits: cools 20% faster, keeps the air filter lasting longer, and saves you from inhaling cow manure odor when driving past a farm. Small, but priceless. Feature Hasson 2, Key Fob Brain Boost. Your head is the antenna. Ever stood in a Walmart parking lot, pressing your key fob like crazy, but your car wouldn't respond? Place the fob on. Your forehead to the signal increases from 30 feet up to 85 feet. Sounds silly, but science proves it. The brain is 85% water to an excellent conductor for radio waves. And remember, inside the fob, there's also a hidden mechanical backup key. A weird yet handy trick, the kind you'll brag about to friends at a BBQ party. Feature Hasson, color-coded engine parts. Don't confuse oil with windshield washer fluid. Pop the hood and you see a jungle of metal and wires. But a few caps are yellow, blue, red. That's the code. Yellow equals engine oil. Blue equals windshield washer fluid. Red equals transmission fluid. These colors are there so you can DIY safely without turning your engine bay into a hot pot mess. Money-saving tip: don't pay $50 to a mechanic just to top off washer fluid. Feature Hasson Fuel Cap Holder, a tiny clip that saves a big engine. 95% of drivers never notice the little hook inside the fuel door. If you let the cap dangle to it, scratches the paint, dirt falls into the tank, and over time the injectors fail, a repair that can cost $3,000. Next time, hook the cap into the holder. 2 seconds, save thousands. Feature Hasson, Emergency Shift Lock Release. The hack? So you're not stuck in the middle of an intersection. Battery dead, shifter won't go to neutral, to car completely locked. The secret: a tiny shift lock button near the gear lever. Pop off the plastic cover, press it, and the car shifts into neutral. That way, you can roll the car to safety instead of becoming a traffic monument in the middle of the street. A tiny detail that many people suffer for hours just because they don't know. Feature Hasson, Road Condition Alerts. That snowflake icon isn't just decoration. See the little snowflake light up? Your car is warning you of slippery roads. Every year in the US, there are 156,000 accidents caused by icy roads. Some Volvo cars even share this data with other vehicles to forming a live safety warning network. Kind of like Waze, but your car does it for you. Feature Hasson Anti-Glare Mirror Tricks. The tiny lever that saves your eyes. Car behind you blasting high beams? Don't curse, just flip the little tab under your rear view mirror till the glare bounces up to the ceiling. In newer cars, there's even an auto-dimming mirror, working like smart sunglasses. No more temporary blindness from bright lights. Feature Hasson, Hidden Storage Compartments. Your car can hide stuff better than your closet at home. Jeep Grand Cherokee, secret compartment for valuables. Toyota Hilux, glove box that doubles as a mini fridge. VW Golf, pull-out drawer under the seat. Sometimes, new owners even find things left behind by the previous owner. A 4-wheeled time capsule. Feature Hasson, Remote Window Control. Cool the car before you get in? On summer days, the cabin can reach 150 Fahrenheit when parked outside. Press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds to the windows, roll down automatically, or hold the key turned in the door to all windows lower. Getting into the car no longer feels like stepping into an oven. Feature Hasson, Auto hold. Let your foot take a vacation in traffic jams. Americans spend an average of 54 hours a year stuck in traffic. Auto hold keeps the brakes engaged when stopped, to no need to keep your foot pressed. On a hill or at a red light, just lift your foot and the car stays put. Your legs will thank you after every rush hour. Feature #3, drowsiness detection. When your car turns into a second mom, car detects nodding off, eyes closing to warns you with a beep or a coffee cup icon. Every year, about 100,000 crashes in the US are caused by drowsy driving. Subaru, Mercedes already use face recognition cameras. Basically, your car is saying, "Buddy, hit Starbucks now, don't take both of us to the hospital." Feature #2, TPMS reset trick. Reset your tire pressure warning yourself. Tires inflated, but the light's still on? Just press the reset button in the glove box for a few seconds. No need to pay a mechanic just to press a button. A small DIY trick that saves a good chunk of money. Feature #3, night vision. A superpower borrowed from the military. Luxury cars like BMW, Audi feature infrared cameras that can see up to 1,000 feet in the dark or fog. They detect people and animals much farther away than headlights can. In other words, even Batman would envy your night vision. Bonus tip: sun visor extension. Think the visor only flips down? Actually, many cars extend them sideways to blocking those blinding rays. Saves you from squinting the whole trip. So, we've just uncovered 13 hidden car features that 90% of drivers never notice. From the recirculation button saving your lungs, to night vision turning you into a superhero. These little features can save you money, keep you safer, and sometimes even save lives. Now the question: which of these 13 secrets made you say, "Wow," the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you've ever stumbled across another hidden feature in your car, share it, it might save the whole community. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss future videos. We've got plenty more car secrets you won't believe are real. Smart driving isn't just about holding the steering wheel, it's about knowing what's hidden right in front of you. See you on the next journey. Until then, drive safely, save money, and keep discovering those hidden features.